A'udhu Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn how to get good result of any research publications or research papers and how to download them. Let me tell you that this is a very easy method. It is as easy as boiling an egg. For this purpose, open your web browser. I have opened Google Chrome and search for Google Scholar. Here we go. This is Google Scholar. Click on it and you will get Google Scholar window in your front. Now you can search any of the desired topic or article in your search tab. Let us search this. Now any of the publications related to this topic will open in front of you. These are the pages you can turn on and on next to get further results. Now suppose we are going to open this paper. Just click on this paper and abstract will be open in front of you. The results are low because of internet connectivity. Here we go. And a preview of this paper will show on your tablet. This is the abstract. Abstract is the summary of the whole paper. If you want to learn the whole paper, just look for the DOI number of the paper. Now if you are seeing that there is no DOI number, you copy this topic, copy and paste in Science Hub. Science Hub is a platform from which you can download every paper that is entered by Science Hub. Write Science Hub in your next tab and open this window. Here Science Hub is open. You can see that it is already mentioned that you can enter URL, PMID number, DOI or research startings. Now we pasted the topic of the paper. The search is proceeding. You can see here as we are here with the full paper, which includes all the items, introduction, methods, characterization, results, conclusions, and references, as every paper consists of these items. You can see that this is the complete comprehensive paper. You can download it from a single click. You are looking that here is the download option. Just click this, then you will get this paper into your window, your PC, and accessible every time. In your storage it will remain for time as much as you want. Save it if you want to save, if not then cancel. Similarly, you can study much papers like this. Let us open this. Now you looked at there is a DOI number. Here is the DOI number of the paper. Click this, copy link address and then paste it on the Science Hub. Sometimes the title, when you search title, Science Hub do not give results. So preferably copy and paste DOI number of the paper, and mostly you will get the desired results. And download this as well. So this is an easy method to study and to download research papers by Science Hub and Google Scholar. So Google Scholar is the website from where you can get accurate results, and Science Hub is the platform from where you can download these papers and articles as well. I hope you understand it well the points, and for further learnings stay tuned with the channel. Thank you.